Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. In this video, we will learn about the another built-in component, that is teleport. So what is the use of this teleport component? I will show you in a simple example where in the real time we face this problem and how we can overcome this problem using the teleport. I will try to show you. For this one, what I will try to do is, so I am creating a new file, that is teleport component dot view. Teleport component dot view. And here I can call template, and we'll be having this div. I'm writing here h3 teleport component, and let's say that we'll be having a container, and in this container we'll be having the content. Okay, so this is the content we'll be having. That's it. So this is all about the container, and for this one container, what we'll do, we will have a model. I'm displaying this my model. Let's create this my model also. I've created this teleport. Okay, fine, let's keep it. And here I am creating my model dot view file, and this one, let's have a template, and we'll be having so simple model. Okay, I will use like this only. Afterwards, here we can have a script setup, and let's import this my model from components, component slash my model, right? My model dot view. Okay, we have imported this model. Let's go to the app dot view. The app dot view, I will remove this all the code. All the code is so much of that it is. I will remove this div also, and here we can have teleport component. Okay, and we need to import this teleport component. So we have imported this one. Let's see the output, how it will look like. If I refresh this page, so we are able to see the teleport component, and we are having a model. Fine, everything is looking fine. And here in this teleport component dot view, and in this my model, I will have a button at the top, button open, and when clicking on this one, open is equal to true. So I will make it as a true. And in the script setup, we can have constant open is equal to ref of false. So first time it will be false. And here this is the model, and first one we can have it as an overlay, and the second one we will be having it as a model. View class is equal to model, and we need to show when it is vi if and if is equal to open. And in this one I can write, so this is the model, and we can have a button, and we can have close. For this one, what we will do, at the rate click is equal to open is equal to false. That's it, right? So we have open is equal to false, and we have open ref of false, and this all things is fine. So let's go to here and let's refresh this page. And when I click on this open, we are able to see it. Close means it is closed. We need to have something like a model type of view. Now if you go here, let's go into this app.view and teleport component and all those things, and let's go to the teleport component. Here we are having so style, so I can have this style. Let's say we are having HTML comma body comma hash app, these all things. I will give height of 100%. Okay, let's give the height of 100%, and we can have dot container, right? So dot container, so this one is also height of 100%, and we can have display grid flex or anything you can have, justify content center, and we can have, if you want to know about this grid architecture and all the things, I have already covered the course, so you can check it in my CSS course. And let's see the output. So here we are able to see this one, so here you are able to see it. And now what I want to do it is, we are able to get this one all. 800% and all those things. So let's take the dot content, and I will give something like max width of 400 pixel. Okay, let's make it as a 400 pixel. You see the output. So this one we will be having max width of 400 pixel. You see output how it will look like. Let's see. So this is our app, and this is our body, and this is our HTML and body. Have we added this body, HTML body comma body app 100%, right? So we are having HTML body 100%, we have given it, right? Why it is not coming center? Okay, so here we have given it as a scoped thing. It should not be scoped, so that HTML body, everything will be attached. Now we are able to see it is in the center, right? So now it is in the center. And if I click on this one, so this model we need to design it. Okay, let's go and design the model. App.view, my model.view, and here we are having the overlay. So I can have the style, and what is that one? First one is the overlay. For this overlay, we can have position of absolute or fixed, anything whichever you want, you can give it. And I am giving top of 0 pixel, and left of 0 pixel, and right of 0 pixel, and the bottom last of 0 pixel, so that it will come completely. And the background color, we'll see the background color. This is background RGBA of 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0.5. Now this is somewhat okay. Let's see the output. Yeah, we are able to see this one, right? Now if I refresh, okay, this one is coming all the time. Why? Because we need to make this one also in the condition if and if is equal to open. That's it. Now it will be visible only. Yeah, so this model we need to move little bit front. For that one, what I can do, dot model, and we can have position absolute or anything whichever you want, you can keep it. Z index, if you want, you can keep it as 3, and I can make it as top 20%, and left it should be 40%, width is around 20%. That's it, more than enough, I think. The background color, most important, background color we need to give it as #FFF, white color. And if you want, you can give the padding of 20 pixel on either sides. If you see the output, yeah, so this one is looking somewhat fine, right? So fine, so we are able to see this one. So now what it is happening here, if you try to see, if you see here, this one is entirely, it's fine, and this one is coming teleport, and this one is coming under the content, right? So this is under the content. If you are having this one as position, relative, or anything, now if you try to see the output, if the parent element ancestor is having something like that, now if you see the open, see it is coming inside the parent, right? Why? Because the parent is in the position relative, or it is in transition mode, or anything, so it may be whatever it may be. So the container, so the content, whichever the content, inside this content we are opening this model pop. If it is not having relative or anything, means it's okay, fine, okay. But here if the parent is having relative, means the model content which we are opening here, so this acts according to the parent thing. It should not happen. So that means what we need to do, somehow we need to teleport this content to the body, outside the body. So we need to place it outside the body somewhere like this. So see, yeah, here we need to place it so that it's not coming outside. No, so somehow we need to place it outside, teleport it. This all div we need to place it outside. How we can place this one? So now this is present inside this model only. Okay, so this is present inside this parent only. If you go here in the app.view, in the teleport component, here in this content only, this model is also present. So somehow this my model we need to teleport to the body, so that it should not be a part of this parent. So what we need to do here, so for this reason, so what we need to do is, we need to teleport. Which one we need to teleport? Here, this one we need to teleport, and here we can write to which place you want to teleport it. Okay, to which place you want to teleport it. So to which place I want to teleport, to the body. So you can give any CSS selector, whatever the CSS selector, hash, with using IDs, class, anything if you want, you can give it. So using this CSS selector, I am using the body. Now if you see the output, now this one is in the position relative, and if I click on the open, see we are able to get the output. So now this time if you see this HTML element which is present inside the content or container, it will come outside. So here you will be able to see this one is coming outside to the body. Now it is not a part of the container or the content. So it is not a part of the content now. Okay, so this one is coming outside. So this open is also we need to, okay, the open is okay, fine. So close. So fine, right? So this is the usage of this teleport. So whenever you want to move that content or anything from its parent to another place, we can use the teleport, but still it is a part of the component and all the variables and all those things will be accessible. So this is the usage of this teleport. Hope you understood about this one. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.